Parrish. Today is Tuesday, July 30th, 2013. The time 12:59 a.m. This video is on strange sounds. On July 13th, 2013, I made a video on sounds which I heard over skies of Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn, New York. I'm on a website called Before It's News, and Before It's News has an article, and this article is entitled Unexplained Strange Sounds in the Sky Are Back Again. I'll read this article, which was posted on Monday, July 29th, 2013, and it says here, I always have loved a good mystery. They are being called creepy, spooky, strange, and just about every other adjective that can be used for something unexplained, and these strange horn-like sounds are being heard across the world. Explanations range from natural phenomena to apocalyptic, biblical omens to magnetic fields and more. They seem to be almost musical in nature, for lack of better description, and have been likened to the sound of trumpets. Many think they could be hoaxes, and no doubt some could be, but they are heard in different countries, different locations within those countries, uploaded by multiple different users, and all are similar sounding. Now, according to my own personal research into my prophecies and visions, I am comfortable to say that the number one thing which was given to me pertaining to future events were sounds from the future. I've been receiving the sounds from our future since I think it started in 2006, and in 2011 this is when in 2011 people began uploading the strange, bizarre sounds, trumpet sounds that they've been hearing, and they uploaded those videos in the year 2011. So once again, I heard the trumpet sounds, bumping sounds from the sky in 2006. I heard them as a vision, or I guess a sound, for lack of a better word, a sound vision which was given to me. And my sound visions, or I called it in the past intuition sounds, came to pass in a big way in 2011. The sounds from the sky kind of like died out in 2012. Now they are back, according to this article. Once again, the title of this article reads Unexplained Strange Sounds in the Sky Are Back Again. Okay, so on July 13th, 2013, here in Brooklyn, New York, late at night, I heard the sounds. Well, it was somewhat similar, the same sounds kind of like I heard in 2011 and in 2012, but this sound I heard in 2013, in July 13, 2013, sounded a little bit different. And unfortunately, I couldn't record the sound because when I retrieved my camera and attempted to record the sounds from the sky, the sounds obeyed it. So I couldn't record the sounds from the sky, but I made a note of it that it sounded a little bit different than compared to what I heard in 2011 and 2012. Well, in any case, I'll link this article to this video, and I will link other videos that I made pertaining to strange sounds over Bed-Stuy. And thank you for watching, and everyone enjoy your Tuesdays and have a safe and pleasant day. Take care. Okay, this is Parrish. Today is, I believe, July 10th, 2013. Time 10:10 p.m. I'm here in Bedford-Stuyvesant section of Brooklyn, New York. And this video is on strange sounds coming from the heavens. It sounds like the sound I've been hearing before. I've heard before in 2011, 2012, but with a little extra spin to it. I don't know if this camera will pick it up. It sounded like a bubbling, explosive sounds. I heard it like 3 minutes ago. Stop. Oh, I don't hear it anymore.